Old MacDonald wakes to start his day.
Cluck, 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 cluck-O.
Bringing golden corn to the coop to play.
Cluck, 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 cluck-O.
Sprinkle here and a scatter there. The chickens gather round without a care. Old MacDonald's breakfast is on the way.
Cluck, 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 cluck-O.
Old MacDonald heads to the piggy pen.
Quack, 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 quack-O.
The hungry pigs scramble again and again.
Quack, 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 quack-O.
With cluck-splash here and a shove-shove there. Food is flying through the air everywhere. Old MacDonald laughs at the mess again.
Quack, 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 quack-O.
Old MacDonald ties the grass up high.
Oh,
Two white goats jump up toward the sky. With a nibble here and a headbutt there. They fight for the grass and they don't want to share. Old MacDonald watches with a twinkle in his eye. Old MacDonald brings a shrimp-filled treat.
quack, 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 quack-O.
The white ducks swim over for something to eat.
Quack, 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 quack-O.
With a splash here and a snap-snap there. Water is spraying into the air. Old MacDonald's ducks have muddy feet.
Quack, 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 quack-O.
Old MacDonald brings the grass so green.
Wow, 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 wow.
The cow rushes over the hungriest we've seen.
Wow, 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 wow,
With a
wow.
push here and a shove there. The poor cow slipped and gave us a scare. Old MacDonald's Bessie starts to cry and lean.
Wow, 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 wow.
The puppy was napping, sleeping so sound.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Heard the cows cry and jump from the ground.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
With
whoa.
sniff, sniff here and a bark, bark there. Calling MacDonald to show that he cares. Old MacDonald's hero is what he's found.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
The ambulance races for old MacDonald's farm.
Wee, 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 wow.
Bringing Dr. Ben to fix the harm.
Don't worry, old friend. I'm
With
here.
a shot
Let's go
here
inside.
and a bandage
All right,
there.
old
The
girl,
cow feels
just a
better with the
little
doctor's
further.
care. Old MacDonald's farm is safe from alarm.
Wee, 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 wow.
Old MacDonald loves his little friends. Under the morning sun that never ends.
Wait. Who? Oh.
Thank you, Doc. You're welcome. Glad I could help.
Old MacDonald loves his little friends. Under the morning sun that